Hey guys, so RDR1 has now arrived on mobile and today I'm going to tell you all of its cheat codes. Alright, so let's begin. First, I'll tell you about the very first cheat code, which is for money. You need to go to the cheat code section and type the root of all evil, we thank you. As soon as you enter this cheat code, you'll get a congratulations message. After that, you just need to turn on the money option. Now, the way of applying cheat codes here is a bit different. Once you turn on the money option, you'll see that you've received $500. Now let's talk about the next cheat code, which is related to a horse. For this, you need to type beast and man together. As soon as you type this, the horse cheat code will be unlocked and then you can turn on the option. Once you enable it, a horse will spawn in front of you. Now the horse has limited stamina. If you keep running it without stopping, eventually its stamina will run out and it will throw you off. So if you want infinite stamina, you need to type make hay while the sun shines. Once you enter this, the cheat will unlock and your horse will have unlimited stamina. No matter how far you ride, it won't get tired. Next cheat code is for a horse carriage. Type now who put that there. This will unlock the cheat, and once you turn on the coach option, a horse carriage will spawn. You can travel anywhere using it since the horses are powerful and have high stamina. Now the next cheat code is for gun set 1. Type it's my constitutional right. After unlocking it, you can enable gun set 1. Once activated, a weapon wheel will appear with a knife, pistol, revolver, sniper and more, and you can easily switch between them. Next is the infinite ammo cheat.